This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I will demonstrate that you can register or add your fingerprint and use it to unlock the screen of your phone. So launch settings, then enter the security category. Onwards, open the fingerprint page, then select what backup screen lock method you would like to go alongside the fingerprint unlock itself. Then set this backup screen lock method up. Then we can start adding the fingerprint or registering it. As you can see, the sensor is located at the side power button. So just repeat after me. Continuously lay and lift your finger on and out of the sensor until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned. Once you add your fingerprint, you can now start using it to unlock the screen. So, something like that. The next option I wanted to show, you can find at the display category of settings. The two features actually, the following two. So the first one is the screen refresh rate or display refresh rate. So you can either set it to 60 Hz and get longer battery life, or set it to 90 Hz and get smoother animations and visuals. Or you can just set it to the auto mode, which will just tell the system to automatically switch the refresh rate value or change it, adjust it, whatever, in accordance with the current situation that you have. The second display option I wanted to show is called the peak display, but it's better known by the always on display name. So enable it by toggling the switch. Then it can go into settings to, for example, change the clock style, and a bunch of other options such as animated background, tap to wake, vibrate on touch, and so on. So let's see what it looks like. So here is the always on display. The next small tip is how you can show the battery percentage at the status bar. So launch settings, enter the battery category, and then turn on the battery percentage toggle, and here you have it. Fifth and final tip is the performance related one and how you can improve your system performance. So enter system category of settings, then go for the performance, RAM boost, turn on the RAM boost toggle, and reboot the device in order for those changes to be applied. And what this feature ultimately does, it occupies 1 GB of internal storage and starts using it as the virtual additional random access memory. So if you could use an extra 1 GB of RAM, that's the feature that we suggest you go for. So that will be it for this video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!